Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks and another video for the shop teacher. These are pretty cool. I started noticing a couple of them are, well, that's got a heart. That's an angel with a heart and an angel with a cross. I'm going to just pick this top corner. And to make it easier for Corel and make it easier for you and me, I'm going to take the crop tool and I'm going to crop out that one. So what you'd want to do is keep that file and just keep reopening it. It's only 3 inches big, so we're not going to do anything. And when I first looked at it, I thought, man, they've got some black shadowing, make it look like a shadow. And it really turned out really easy. So this thing is less than 2. I'm going to set my nudge factor about on 4. And I am not going to do anything to it but trace it. Now, for your older version, you probably have to go to Bitmap, trace, outline, trace, and I'm pretty sure clip art, it was there in 2000 or X12. This is one of the easiest ones I've ever done. It looks like it's going to be really difficult, but looks are deceiving. We're going to do our yellow box trick in order to put it in the back of the page. We're going to go to objects. No, I got to select that item. And I'm going to go to object and ungroup it. If you notice, the white is actually the ornament. So I'm going to grab the white. That's all we need. Now we don't really want white in that. I can delete everything else. I don't want white in there. I could put an outline around it and call it good. But I don't want the white in there. So what I'm going to do is do the same thing we did in the other video. You use a Smart Fill tool to fill that in. Smart Fill tool basically makes a new shape. Now we can take our new shape and left click, right click, and now you have an ornament that is pretty cool ornament, pretty clean, traced really good. That file is a really good file. And that'll cut out. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.